We are at the worst rated federally owned US government land. And we're gonna explore it today. It's 10 degrees. We didn't expect it to be 10 degrees, but here we are, we're here. And I'll just let you know what it is. It is the Missouri Gateway Arch. And we're gonna try to explore it today. So let's go. Also, the arch is like super cool. It's like in this courtyard, but then right on the other side of the courtyard is the old courthouse, or state building, I mean. And then there's also like an old cathedral over there. And yeah, then we have Gateway Arch. It's really, really cool. So we just got the tickets that we are going to be able to ride the tram up to the top of the archway.
So I thought it was like an elevator, but I guess because of the arch, they can't really use an elevator, so it's like a tram pod type thing.
I don't know.
Guess we'll see.
We will see, indeed. All right, but before that, we need to take Dolly back to the car and put her away because she is not allowed.
No Fidos in the arch.
No Fidos on the archway tram, so it is what it is, but.
I think she's cold anyway, so.
Yeah. Look at how tall this thing is. This thing's huge. We are kind of running late. Tickets for 125. We didn't realize there was security.
Wait, which, south or north? Which one?
There's in my pockets.
South. North tickets will be accepting. South.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. Thank you.
Just down this way. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
In 2018, we went from being Jefferson National Expansion Memorial to being Gateway Arch National Park. So you're standing in the 60th and the smallest national park in the United States.
Good evening, folks, and a hearty welcome to our drive-in theater.
And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
Excited?
I actually am very much enjoying this. I'm like a little nervous. I saw a picture of the tram and it's like teeny.
Yeah, it's tiny.
Kind of like the vibe of a, oh my gosh, what are those things called when you go skiing that you go up?
Gondola?
Gondola. It's like a gondola but tinier. That's kind of what it looks like.
I see.
Oh.
Welcome back, everyone. Please exit your tram. Come on up the steps towards me.
Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, okay. This is, if you're taller than 5'9", you ain't fitting all the way sitting up. This is so interesting.
Whoa.
Wow. Not what I pictured.
So when you buy the tickets, she asks, do you have any fear of heights, claustrophobia, or there was something else that she asked, but I don't remember.
Oh, okay. I'm a little scared. Oh, whoa. Okay, I see what she meant about it leveling out.
Yeah. Oh, there's stairs right there. I guess that's the emergency exit in case it breaks down or something.
Yeah. That's a lot of clunking. Oh, there's like a little tool shop. Got some WD-40 in case, you gotta grease up the tracks. Okay, this is very safe, right?
This thing keeps like rocking back and forth. It's so interesting.
Oh, there we go.
Ah.
We go up.
Folks, you'll make your way up the steps. Be careful of these steps. These steps are evenly spaced.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's just these little tiny windows.
Whoa, there's St. Louis. What? That's really cool.
Oh, is that the park? Oh yeah, there's the park.
It is.
That's where we were standing, I guess.
Whoa.
Hey, there's the van.
That's so cool. Oh, yeah, there it
The
is.
water's looking a little nasty.
The van's right there. So, worth it?
Yeah,
Are you freaking out still?
a little bit.
A little bit.
I would say does not deserve to be ranked last.
I didn't think so either. It's pretty cool. I mean, there's definitely the least amount of stuff to do,
Yeah, but this is pretty
but
cool.
this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool.
We wouldn't pick you last for dodgeball, Gateway Arch. We wouldn't.
He's pretty, you know, it's pretty slender to dodge dodgeballs if we're picking him for dodgeball, you know?
True.
All right, they're about to take us back down to the bottom, so.
See you at the bottom.
Little post Gateway Arch debrief. Thoughts?
That was honestly really cool. I didn't know what to expect, but it was really, really fun. It was really cool.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. I would recommend for $25, 45-minute tour. I'm curious to see, she said that there at the bottom at the museum you can see the other designs that didn't win the competition.
Yeah, there was there was a total of 5 or 5 other designs. I don't know,
Well,
we'll find
she
out.
said there was like 150 designs.
But there
and
was like finalists.
Yeah, the 5 finalists are at
Yeah.
the bottom.
The concepts are down at the bottom in the museum area, so we'll see what's down there and see what that is about, you know?
Yeah. We had the cutest tour guide of all time. She was the sweetest little retired lady. And she told us we needed to go to Italy town?
Like the Italy...
Little Italy,
yeah.
and get toasted ravioli and gooey butter cake. I don't think we have time though, but I really want to because I love toasted ravioli.
Honestly, we should just do it.
Yeah.
We're gonna be so late anyways.
I know. We might just stay the night. Definitely come here. In the winter too, because then you get the whole tram to
Yeah,
yourself.
on the off season. Maybe not the winter, but like off season, definitely worth a while.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah.
Definitely.
Cool.
Oh, I think we're here. All right. See you on the flip side.
Okay, tell me this doesn't look like Zelda Ocarina of Time graphics on the N64 right here. I'm just saying. So here are the other runner-up designs for the arch. So we obviously have the arch, but then they had this one, the Rainy competition model, which is like a big courtyard, a flat building type of thing. This, which is pretty cool, honestly.
part is kinda neat.
Kind of looks really cool. Little,
That's probably my second favorite.
yeah. This one would be pretty cool though. That building is very
Kind of looks like a
interesting.
modern office building, honestly.
A little bit. And you have this one. Probably the most
Oh,
boring
this
of the
was the
bunch.
runner-up.
Oh, really?
The park itself is pretty cool on this one though, with the little
Yeah,
swirls and stuff.
that's true. Final debrief. What's the census?
Loved it.
Loved it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I think for my expectations, it's 10 out of 10.
Yes, that's exactly it. My expectations were like so low that it was really cool. I mean,
Yeah.
it was really cool even without low expectations.
I mean, honestly, it's like, even bringing in other national parks, I'd still give it like a 6 out of 10.
Well, I just think it's,
Because I think it's really cool, but there's barely anything to do.
yeah, it's,
There's a museum. There's like a little
hey,
city.
I would say it's cooler than Old Faithful.
I mean, sure, but Old Faithful is in the massive Yellowstone.
No, what I'm saying, if we're just judging it one thing, right? Old
Yeah,
Faithful is
but
just like
this
one
is-
thing.
I'm judging it in terms of like the entire national park.
In terms of things that are overhyped, Old Faithful is so overhyped.
Oh,
and it's
that's
like
true.
this dinky little geyser that stinks. You know, this is like an architectural genius.
That is true.
They couldn't
Whoa,
be
look
more
at that
than
plane.
a 16th of an inch off.
I mean, this thing is huge. If that gives you a scale for it. That plane over there. Okay, for context on how big this thing is. That's it. The base is all the way over there. And then Melissa is right there next to this thing. Some could say it's quite massive. So I can't tell you how many times we, like myself or both of us, have driven by this arch and we've just been like, oh, there's the St. Louis Arch. Yeah, that's cool. Moving on.
Also, I definitely thought the arch was over the road for a long time. I thought you like drove under it, like the freeway was under it.
That would be cool though. Oh, hi, Dolly.
Hi, baby girl.
Hi, Dolly.
Hi. Did you have a good nap?
Our tour guide that was at the arch, she recommended the best ravioli place. Apparently St. Louis, I didn't know this,
did
is
not know
famous
this.
for ravioli. She claims that St. Louis invented ravioli. I'll have to Google that to see if that's true or not. But anyways, she said the best place to go in town is in Italy, Little Italy here in St. Louis, called Imo's, I-M-O. So we're gonna go get lunch there because we are starving. Oh, Dolly always pines for her.
An online order.
For any of us that get out of the car. Isn't that right, Dolly?
Yeah.
Dolly, look at me. Here she comes.
I think these are the toast raviolis. Whoa. Okay, we may have.
Oh my God.
20 may have been too many.
How much was 20?
It was like $22. But
Oh,
you can
wow.
either get 8 or 20, which
I
I'm sure is
know.
how they get people, because people are like 8.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these are huge. Oh, that
Oh
looks
my
so good.
gosh.
Here we go. Oh, it's like a thin crust type of situation.
Ooh.
That looks pretty good too.
It looks yummy.
I'm going in.
All right, pizza time.
These are good.
Oh, what is on this? Bacon?
Bacon
chicken?
and chicken.
Oh, that's really good. All right, time to get on the road. Imo's, it's pretty decent. What do you think?
Yeah, if you like beef.
It was really
The
good.
pizza was good.
The pizza was really good. I really like that pizza. Oh, this is like the whole United States. I didn't realize that. This is the whole continent.